When was the last time you changed your filter for your furnace? Maybe you don't even know that you need to change your filter. Trust me, I was not immune to this, and there was a time when I honestly had no idea that a filter even existed, let alone that I was supposed to check it until my dad asked me one day about 2 years into owning my very first home. So today is a friendly reminder to be kind to your furnace and take a look at your filter. I am also going to talk about where to get them, how often to change the filter, and show you quickly how to do this. Welcome back to those that have seen me before, and to those that are new to my channel. My name is Leanne Cray with Allegiant Realty Group here in McMinnville County in the heart of Oregon's wine country. Having a dirty furnace filter can cause your furnace to work harder than it really should. When your furnace has to work harder, the quicker its parts will wear out, and then you'll need to repair it. Now the good news is that changing a filter is very easy and it's fairly inexpensive. A good rule of thumb is to check your furnace filter once a month. That way it is top of mind as a common task or a common chore. First, you want to find out where your filter is. In most homes, the filter is attached to the furnace, and in most often it is in the garage. If not, you can check your attic, which is the second most common place. And I have also seen filters found behind a grate in the ceiling of the living space inside the home. And I've also seen them under grates in the floor of hallways or behind a wall grate. So once you've located where the filter is housed, and in my case you can see it's here in the garage, in the furnace itself behind this cover, you want to just go ahead and remove the cover, and then go ahead and pop up and out the filter and slide it out of its housing to take a look at the coloring. Now, clean filters should be white, or as near to that as possible, which you can see is my new one here. In my case, you can see, as you can tell, I need to create a new pattern in my life to remember to check this, hence which is what spurred me to do this video. My filter, as you can see, is very black and well past its time to be replaced, and is not allowing for my furnace to be working as effectively as it should be. So, when a furnace filter needs to be replaced, you can run to your local hardware store or Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, anything of that nature. You can order online to be shipped to you, or there are even furnace filter companies online that you can set up an automatic delivery service to send your replacement to you on a set schedule, reminding you to make your furnace filter replacement. Furnace filters come in many sizes, so you want to check your current filter, which is probably the best way so you know what size you need. Sizes, you'll see they always come in a width, depth, and a height. It's recommended that the 1-inch filters be replaced every 3 to 4 months. And in this case, you'll notice that mine is actually a 4-inch filter, which is recommended to be changed out every 6 to 9 months. One trick to remind you when you last changed your filter, so you don't have to remember, is to grab a Sharpie, and you can write the replacement date right on the edge. And that way, when you check it each month, along with looking to see how white the filtering area is, you will also see how long it has been since you actually replaced the filter and how long it's been working for you. Once you have written on that date, just simply slide your filter back into its housing and replace the cover, and voila, you're done. So, as a quick reminder, if you have not taken a look at your furnace filter in quite a while, or even given it an actual second thought, go take a peek and see how it looks. See if it is time to give some love to your furnace filter. Thanks for watching. If this has been helpful, give me a like, and feel free to subscribe for more things real estate related to living in, moving to, buying, or selling here in Willamette Valley. Have a great week. Bye.